Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Workforce Pro EP C800 printer to your computer. So first of all, if this is a brand new printer, you can follow the installation guide that came with the printer to unpack your printer and initially set up your printer. Like you can load the ink and load the paper in your printer and do the initial setup following this installation guide that came with the printer. So once the printer is initially set up and now it's ready to be set up on the computer, so you need to download the software and the driver. If you have got the disk with you, you can insert the disk in the computer. If you have a disk drive, in case if you don't, then you need to follow the instruction in this video. I'm going to show you. You need to go to the computer and open any browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. If you have Mac, you can open the Safari browser and go to the epson.com website. You need to type this website epson.com, and now you can select your country. I'm going to show you how you can download the software. Once you go to this web page, you need to click on support tab and select printer. And now you need to search the driver for your printer. So you have to simply type the name of your printer. In our case, I'm going to simply type EP C800. Okay, so you will see it now. That's the printer. That's our printer. And now you need to click on downloads here. Okay, to download the software. And you can choose the operating system, like if you have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, or if you have Mac operating system. In my case, I'm going to select Windows 10 and I'll click go. And now I can download this driver, the first one, because it includes everything, all the packages of the driver, including the troubleshooter or the scanning driver. Everything is there, so I need to click on download. I don't need to download each one of the other software. I'm going to download this one. Once I'll click on download, it will start downloading the driver. In the browser at the top right corner there is a down arrow, that's the download icon. You need to, once it's downloaded, it will pop up on the screen. You need to double click to start the setup of your printer in the computer. So that's it. If you have any question regarding this, you can type it in the comment box and I will help it. I'll provide you the answer, and I'll also provide you the link of the installation guide and the user guide in the video description so you can follow from there. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice